Okay, guys, I don't know if there's any weirdos out there, but I have found having a young one, like this obsession with taking songs and just making them really different or like contemporary, right? So you asked me, but I think it's also really cool. Maybe it could be like an exercise. Like I'll take like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Right? Like you could literally take any song and make it into like a cool contemporary song. And I think it all just comes down to what you do with your voice, right? So like you have Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how I wonder what you are, right? But if I wanted to make it like Billie Eilish, right? Billie Eilish. Yeah. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I can't think I'm a freak. What are you doing? I don't know why. I will be driving. I'll be around my house, right? I will take these songs. There was another. You'll have to drop a comment. Maybe this will be like a fun series where we just take a whole bunch of, and you guys could do this. Like nursery rhymes, really bizarre songs, like Take Me Out to the Ball Game. Right? We could do that. Like, how could we do that? Yeah, we could take that in all different ways. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the field. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever come back. For it's I need you guys to like validate that I'm not a crazy person and drop a comment if you do this as well. And if you don't, try it because it can be